Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. How are you all? Hope you are doing good by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today I am here to present about the mathematics. Mostly the people think that math is very boring, math is so hard and math has nothing to do with the real life. Is it true? No way. That's why now I am going to talk about the importance of math in day-to-day life and beauty present inside the math and importance behind it. At first, super cool about the mathematics is that you won't need any special equipments, millions of dollars, lot of people to see the wonders in math. You just need is your mind. Mathematics is a pure, it does not crash or decay. It only needs your mind, your thoughts to make it worth. Mathematics is a universal language. It does not matter from where you are, in which country do you live, which language do you speak. Math is common for everybody. Mathematics is a method-based application of matter. It is so said because the subjects make a man methodical or systematical. Mathematics makes our life orderly, prevents chaos. Certain the quantities that are nurtured by mathematics are power of reasoning, creativity, abstract or spiritual thinking, critical thinking, problem solving ability, and even effective communication skills. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations, without which the world cannot move an inch. Being a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist. Everyone needs a mathematics is their day-to-day life. Even insects use the mathematics is their everyday life. For instance, snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build the hexagonal combs. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature fabric. Anyone can be the mathematician if one is given the proper guidance and training in the formative periods of one's life. A good curriculum of mathematics is helpful in the effective teaching and learning of the subject. Experience says learning mathematics can be made easy and enjoyable if our curriculum includes the mathematical activities, games, maths puzzles, encourage and attract and alert open mind altitude among the youngsters and help them to develop the clarity in their thinking. Embrace should be the line of development of clear concept in mathematics in a child right from the primary classes. If the teacher fail here, then the child will develop the 5 year for the subject as he move on their higher classes. For explaining a topic in mathematics, a teacher should take help of pictures, sketches, diagram and model as far as possible. As it is believed that the process of learning is complete if our sense of flight, open-ended questions should be given to the child to answer and he and she should be engaged to think about the solution in all possible manners. The child should be appreciated for every correct attempt and the mistakes must be immediately corrected without any criticism. The greatest hurdle is the process of learning mathematics, the lack of practice. Students should daily work out at least 10 problems from different areas in the order to master the concept and develop the speed and accuracy solving the problem. Learning of multiplication table should be encouraged in the lower classes. Another very effective means of spreading the knowledge of mathematics among the children is through peer teaching. Once a child has learned a concept from his teacher, then later should ask him to explain the same to follow the students. Moreover, in the process, all the children will be able to express their doubts on that topic and clear them through the discussion in the group. The present age is one of the skill development and innovation. The more mathematical we are in our approach, the more successful we will be. Mathematics offer rationality to our thoughts. It is a tool in our hands to make our life simpler and easier. Let us realize and appreciate the beauty of the subject and embrace it with all our heart. Hope you all understand about the importance of mathematics. I shall end my presentation by saying quote, without mathematics there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira.